Just a quick video on how to change the washer in a dripping tap. Switch the water supply off to the tap. You'll need a couple of spanners and a flat tap washer. And then use the larger spanner to hold the body of the tap and the smaller one to undo the top. Take out the body of the tap, and the old washer is probably cracked. Take the new washer, push it on the end until it fits, like that, and then screw the body of the tap back into the bit attached to the wall. Tighten the tap down, and then with the large spanner hold the main part of the tap and tighten the body
Actually, do you want to just come up
back on,
so we can see
like
that?
So just a gentle twist there, not too tight. Switch the water back on and you shouldn't get a rush of water now. And that should work easily, but also should switch the water off. There you go.